Welcome to the channel. Want to make money online by promoting products you love? Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income, even as a beginner. In this video, I'll show you how to choose the right niche, find the best affiliate programs, and drive traffic to start earning commissions. So hit that like button and let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn commissions online by promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or action completed through your referral. For beginners, this can seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, affiliate marketing can be a profitable and sustainable online business. This guide will take you through the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, including choosing a niche, finding affiliate programs, and driving traffic to your affiliate links. 10. Staying consistent and patient. Consistency and patience are key in affiliate marketing. Many beginners expect immediate results, but building a profitable affiliate business takes time. Continuously creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and optimizing your strategies will eventually lead to success. Affiliate marketing provides an excellent opportunity to generate passive income and achieve financial freedom. With dedication and persistence, anyone can become a successful affiliate marketer and earn commissions online. 9. Scaling your affiliate business. Once you start seeing success in affiliate marketing, consider scaling your business to increase your earnings. Expanding into multiple platforms, creating additional websites, or diversifying your affiliate partnerships can help you grow. Automating certain processes, such as email marketing and content scheduling, can also free up time and enhance efficiency. Additionally, outsourcing tasks like content creation, SEO, and social media management can help you scale faster and focus on strategic growth. 8. Building trust and authority. One of the most critical aspects of affiliate marketing is building trust and credibility with your audience. People are more likely to buy from someone they trust. To establish yourself as an authority in your niche, focus on providing honest and transparent recommendations. Avoid promoting low-quality or irrelevant products solely for commissions, as this can harm your reputation in the long run. Engaging with your audience, responding to their queries, and providing valuable insights will help you build long-term relationships and boost your credibility. 7. Tracking and analyzing performance. To maximize your earnings, tracking and analyzing your performance is essential. Use tools like Google Analytics, Affiliate Dashboard Analytics, and tracking software to monitor your clicks, conversions, and revenue. Identifying what works and what doesn't allows you to optimize your strategies and improve your results over time. This data-driven approach helps refine your content, marketing efforts, and overall affiliate strategy for better success. 6. Utilizing paid advertising. Paid advertising is an option for those who want quicker results. Running ads on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, or YouTube ads can help drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links. However, this method requires a budget and careful planning to ensure a positive return on investment. It is essential to monitor the performance of your ads and optimize them based on analytics to maximize conversions. 5. Building an email list. Email marketing is another effective way to promote affiliate products. Building an email list allows you to establish direct communication with your audience and send them personalized recommendations. Offering free resources, such as ebooks, guides, or webinars in exchange for email subscriptions can help you grow your list. Once you have an email list, you can send regular newsletters, exclusive deals, and valuable insights to your subscribers, increasing your chances of earning commissions. 4. Leveraging social media. Social media marketing is another powerful strategy for driving traffic. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and Twitter allow you to share your affiliate links and engage with potential customers. Creating engaging and shareable content, such as short videos, infographics, and live demonstrations, can help increase your reach. Influencer marketing can also be beneficial if you collaborate with other content creators who have a large following in your niche. 3. Creating quality content. Content creation is one of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products and attract an audience. Your content should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your niche. Blog posts, product reviews, tutorials, and comparison articles are all great ways to promote affiliate products. If you have a website or blog, search engine optimization, SEO, can help you rank higher on search engines and attract organic traffic. This involves optimizing your content with relevant keywords, using proper headings, and ensuring your site loads quickly. 2. Finding affiliate programs. Once you have chosen a niche, the next step is to find affiliate programs that align with your niche. There are many affiliate programs available, and selecting the right ones is key to earning consistent commissions. Affiliate programs can be found through affiliate networks or directly from companies that offer affiliate partnerships. Some of the most popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, Sherry SL, Commission Junction, CG, Rakuten, and ClickBank. These networks provide access to thousands of affiliate programs across different industries. When choosing an affiliate program, consider factors such as commission rates, cookie duration, payment methods, and the reputation of the company. Higher commission rates and longer cookie durations typically lead to better earnings potential. Some companies also offer recurring commissions, meaning you earn money for every subscription renewal made by your referrals. 1. Choosing the right niche. Choosing a niche is the first step in affiliate marketing and is crucial to your success. A niche is a specific topic or industry that you will focus on, and it should align with your interests and expertise. Selecting the right niche ensures that you remain motivated and engaged with your content. The best niches are those that have a high demand, a large audience, and profitable affiliate programs. Some common profitable niches include health and wellness, personal finance, technology, fashion, and travel. Conducting thorough research is essential to determine which niche suits you best. Consider using tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and social media platforms to analyze market demand and trends. And that's how you can start making money with affiliate marketing. Remember, success comes from choosing the right niche, promoting quality products, and driving consistent traffic. Which strategy are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.